Hi viewers, welcome once again to my YouTube channel. Today we are exploring an exciting AI creative platform called Runway. This platform helps creators turn ideas into videos, images, and visual stories using artificial intelligence. It's designed for beginners, professionals, and creative teams who want to produce high-quality content faster and easier. Before we continue, please note that this video is only for educational and informational purpose. Features, pricing, and services may change over time. Always check the official website before making any purchase or business decision. Viewers, creating digital content usually takes time, skills, and expensive software. Many creators struggle with editing, visual effects, and production tasks. Runway changes this experience. It brings artificial intelligence into the creative world. It allows users to generate videos and edit visuals using simple commands and easy tools. The platform focuses on helping people express ideas in creative way without needing deep technical knowledge. It works online so users can create content directly from their browsers. Viewers, Runway offers powerful AI tools that help creators produce professional visuals. These tools make content creation simple and fast. Some major features include text-to-video generation that converts written ideas into video content, AI image editing and enhancement tools, background removal and object tracking, motion editing and visual effects creation, style transformation and cinematic visual control, real-time collaboration features. These features help creators save time and focus more on storytelling instead of complex editing work. Now we will discuss the advanced AI models and technology. Viewers, Runway continues to improve its AI models to deliver better visual quality. The platform supports advanced models that help generate realistic videos and smooth motion visuals. Introducing Runway Gen 4.5, a new frontier for the video generation. One of this tool. These models allow creators to design cinematic content with strong detail and creative flexibility. Runway also works on next-generation AI research to prove interactive storytelling and digital world creation. This shows the platform's strong focus on future media and technology. Runway is built for different types of users. It supports filmmakers and video editors, social media content creators, marketing and advertising teams, graphic designers and visual artists, creative agencies and production companies. Whether someone is working alone or in a team, Runway provides tools that support creative growth and professional content production. Viewers, here you can also check out some work here. You can browse a curated video generation from Runway. You can find out what a magnificent and artistic content has been created by Runway. Just some of the clips are available. You can find out and check out the details. And now let's talk about the most important part, that is pricing plans and the subscription options. Viewers, Runway offers flexible pricing plans designed for different creative needs. The platform currently provides 20% discount on hourly subscriptions on yearly subscriptions, making long-term usage more affordable. Users can start with free plan, which allows them to explore the creative power of Gen 4 Turbo and Gemini 3 Pro models. This plan is ideal for beginners who want to test AI video generation tools. The standard plan, priced at $12 per month, provides expanded creative access and allows users to build custom workflows for smoother production. For professional creators and growing teams, the Pro plan, priced at $28 per month, unlocks advanced tools such as custom lip synchronization, voices, and provides 500 GB of storage capacity. For users who need large-scale content production, the unlimited plan, priced at $76 per month, offers unrestricted video generation and access to exclusive Explore mode. This plan supports advanced models like Gen 4.5 and Act 2. For large companies and global organizations, the Enterprise plan delivers a customized solution with enhanced security, scalable infrastructure, and dedicated support. These pricing tiers allows creators to choose plans that match their creative goals and production demands. Viewers, Runway helps creators produce content faster while maintaining visual quality. It reduces editing workload and opens new creative possibilities. The platform also supports teamwork, allowing multiple users to collaborate on creative projects from different locations. Runway combines technology and imagination, helping creators transform ideas into engaging visual content. And here you can also check out that it's available on social media communities. I would like to recommend all my viewers to subscribe the YouTube channel of Runway. You can also follow Runway on Instagram, and you can check out the video content posted on Instagram. Here you can also check out Runway on Twitter. I would like to recommend all my viewers to follow Runway on Twitter. The social media communities will provide you latest updates, announcements about it. Viewers, digital creativity is evolving quickly and AI tools are becoming an important part of content production. Runway offers a modern solution for creators who want to experiment with new ideas and produce professional visuals with less efforts. If you are interested in exploring AI-powered content creation, you can visit the official Runway website, review the pricing plans, follow the social media links, and choose the options that matches your creative needs. You can also follow Runway on their social media communities. If you found this video helpful, please like and share this video with others who are interested in AI creative tools, and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more informative and educational content. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.